Hello YouTube, back with another video, and I'm finally getting to take a video of the Whirlpool window AC. And it takes up the whole window, pretty much, the whole window. And it fits pretty nicely in there. It's 14,000 BTU Whirlpool window AC. I think it said like 95 or 92 on the data plate right here, but I'm not taking the cover off. It's got this little red flag that comes out when the filter gets plugged up enough to let you know you need to clean the filter. So it says it right here. Exhaust, high, medium, cool, high cool, low cool, power save, thermostat. Man, this thing is freezing me right now. It's super cold. That's a big unit. Pretty good shape. Pretty clean. Let me go show you outside.
What happened?
Here's the back of the window AC. Sorry, those people was trying to ask me something wrong with the car. I took a look at it. Drains out right here. It's a lot. Nice big unit. Well, that's all, folks. More to come later.